Here representing Ohanese.
Can we stop it? Let him come close. Many people will not get this shot. Please let us arrange ourselves.
We were here.
Sorry, sir. Let's arrange ourselves.
She'll copy now.
Many people are not getting this shot. No, I don't say because we are getting it.
But you're pressing it from the back.
Yes. We are the representatives of Ohanese.
Hey, come back.
So we also that group directed us to come over here and be present in court and see what is going on. The last time this matter came up, we were there and we announced our appearance. Today, DSS stopped us from appearing here today. DSS stopped the Ohanese delegation. So our legal team could not even attend. We were kept outside. And as far as we are concerned, this is a secret trial. It's a deliberate ploy to stop us from taking part in this trial. And we, in Ohanese, we condemn it totally. This is a constitutional democracy and the judiciary must be independent. We say without any fear of contradiction that the DSS has usurped the judiciary. This is not a fair trial, and I say so without any fear of contradiction.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Oh yeah, please.
Chief Rodney Wazurike, I'm a lawyer.
And sir, what about His Royal Highness?
Please beside your phone.
And matter now adjourned to 10th of November for hearing of application challenging the competence and judicial record to hear the case, because we are of the firm view, that the 7-count offense charge preferred against ourselves. So I can't see where somebody will sneeze in London and it become an offense triable in this country. Most of the counts we are founded on non-existing law, So, and I don't want to delve into the substance of application before the court on this on that note. So, and of course, you see, he was in court today. We believe that justice will prevail in the end. So, that's all that's happened today in court, and he has gone. So, we're coming back on 10th of November to hear this application, because we insist that that application will be in line with the procedural law. That application will be first heard and disposed of. An application challenging the competence of the charge. And when considering the affirmative, that is the end of the case. So, because we are challenging the 7-count amended charge. So once the court hear it and rule in our favor, that is the end of the case, and they walk out the court from court a free person. What about the custody? So have an actually we apply for him for his own security. That's what he said. So we adjourn the matter to 10th of November for hearing of application. PLO, we call it penal objection. Because of penal objection we have on the 10th. So it's not coming up from any form of trial, because that application will first of all be heard and ruled upon before taking further steps. Thank you so much.
This is the first time we are seeing Nnamdi Kanu after a long while. What would you say about his status?
And they understand we, in as much as I want to avoid resist the temptation of diving into the substantive action application before the court. You understand the manner in which he was kidnapped in Kenya, adopted, and consequently extraordinary rendition to Nigeria. This forms part of our ground of objection. Apart from the fact we are challenging the competency of the child, the worthless nature of the child they filed against us, so against our client. So we also invite the court to take note of the fact that the manner in which he was also kidnapped and extraordinary rendition to Nigeria. So the system cannot also benefit from their own wrong. So I don't want to go into the substantive application before the court.
Journalist, your full name, please.
So can we have an idea about these charges that have been referred against the client?
Well, the charge is simple. I don't think it's worthy of mentioning. It's worthless. So it's worthless as I'm concerned, because all the someone can charge has no base in law. They can't file a charge that has no the facts or proof evidence has no connection with the charge before the court. So I don't want to give it by mentioning this charge before you means I am giving it credence. Thank you. However, I also mentioned to the court the fact that journalists were prevented from participating in the proceedings, and lawyers too. And I also registered our displeasure of the defense team, because people should also be part of the process, proceedings, and also tell the world exactly how it went and what we saw in court. So I believe it can happen Let's adjourn date. I believe so.
Your full name, please.
My name is Barristers.